Hello students, 11th computer science students. This is another video for you. This is on the topic Python data handling. Okay, this is the topic for this MCQ series. Hope it will be beneficial for you. Okay, question number 1. Which Python built-in function returns the unique number assigned to an object? Yes. 4 options are given: reference, return, ID, and num, NUM. You know ID is the correct option, yes, since you know it returns the memory address of the corresponding object which is within the argument. Okay, the ID is the correct option, C is the correct options. Okay, next question number 2. What is the value of 80 upon 5? 80 is real division 5. You know in Python single slash denotes real division, and it always returns the value of floating type. Float means real numbers, and you know 80 upon 5 means 16. It means the actual answer should be option A. Yes, 16.0. This is the correct option. Question number 3. Which of the following is a valid tuple in Python? See the syntax. All three, A, B, C. In A, it is embedded in square bracket. In option B, it is embedded in round bracket. And in option C, it's a key value pair and embedded in curly bracket. And I think you know the answer. The correct option, valid tuple, is option number B. Yes, within round bracket. This is the correct option. Okay, question number 4. Which of the following is a valid dictionary in Python? Same syntax, same pattern of options are given. 1, 2, 3, 4 in square bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4 in round bracket, and third one, C option, key value pair in curly bracket, and D is all of this. And you know the correct option is? Yes, C option is the correct one. You know in dictionary, it is always having a combination of value, key and value pairing. And because of that, this is the correct option, C option. Okay. Question number 4, C option is the correct one. Question number 5, evaluate 7 into 8 divided by 5, then float division 2. As you know, the star designates multiplication, and divided by 5, real division, then float division. And you know the correct option, what will be the correct answer? You have to find the product first, then divided by 5, and then when you double slashing it with 2, it will give you 5.0. Okay, that means the correct answer is answer B. 5.0 is the correct option. Okay, question number 6. To increase the value of x 10 times, correct expression will be 10 के वैल्यू वेरिएबल 10 के वैल्यू अगर 10 गुना करना है तो आप इनमें से कौन से ऑप्शंस को करेक्ट मानोगे? 4 expressions are given. X equals to x double star 10 means x raised to the power 10. B option, x equals to x into 10. You know this is a shorthand notation. And C option, x equal to x plus 10. Fourth one, x equals to 10. You know, yes, correct option is option number B. X into equals to 10 means actually x equals to x into 10. Yes, B option is the correct one. 6, B option is the correct. Okay, question number 7. Evaluate 10 plus 3 raised to the 3 into 2. See the expression. It's a very interesting one, tricky one. 3 double star 3 into 2. It means you have to evaluate first 3 cube, then it will be multiplied by 2, then it should be added by 10. That means the correct answer is, yes, 64 is the correct option. Answer number C. Okay, question number 8. Here in this case, little bit difference is there. 10 plus 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3. Here in this case, you have to evaluate 2 raised to the power 3 first, then you have to evaluate the final expression should be added by 10. It means the correct option would be 266. You know 2 raised to the power 3 means 8, and when you multiply 2 8 times, 2 raised to the power 8 means 256, and added by 10 means 266. 266 is the correct option, means option B is the correct one. It's a good question. Question number 9. This is a built-in function. Yes, you know math is one of the important module of Python, and this is a dot operator. Math flow argument 1.99. You have to find the correct value. You have to evaluate it. You know 4 options are given: 2.0, 1.9, 1.0, and none of this. And you know 1.99, you have to evaluate the floor value, means always it should be the lesser than the augmented value means very near to the augmented value, but it should be lesser than that. Less than that, it means it will be nearest 1.99, having the nearest integer value lower side is 1. It means 1.0 is the correct one. It should be in a floating point position. 1.0 is the correct option. Okay, question number 10. This is also our library functions. Random module dot rand range 11, 45 and 4. What does it stand? So you know the syntax. 11 is the beginning value, 45 is the ending value, and 4 is the incremental value. And it's a very tricky question. Now 4 options are given. You have, the question is, it will never returns out of this 4 options, which is the correct one, which never, rand range never returns that value. Yes, you know, in beginning value 11, it should be incremented by 4 every time. It might be 11, then 15, then 19. In that way, you can check it out. 23, 43, 27, 21. Correct option is the D option, 21. 21 never comes, since, you know, this is an increment of 4. Okay, guys, I think this is very beneficial for your forthcoming MCQ examinations. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And very soon I'm going to upload more videos related to your Python tutorials. Okay, till then, bye-bye.